Number 4. Accounting for stock dividends. Sometimes corporation distributes additional free shares to its shareholders proportional to their equities in the corporation's capital. Total stockholders' equity remains unchanged, but the components of the stockholders change. The company transfers part of the retained earnings to common stock. Why? In order to save cash for future expansion and make shareholders happy with any distributions. بصوا يا شباب، في كيس الكوربريشن بتقرر انها توزع ارباح، تعمل dividend distribution في شكل اسهم بنسبة معينة. طب يا شباب، هي الكوربريشن تبقى عايزة توزع ارباح على الستوك هولدرز عشان ما يتضايقوش، وفي نفس الوقت هي مش معاها كاش، فبتوزع الديفيدند في شكل اسهم stock dividends. طب يعني ايه يا شباب بنسبة معينة؟ يعني if I own 10% of the corporation, my ownership 10%, if the company issues 100,000 new stocks, in this case I will get 10,000 shares. يعني ايه يا شباب؟ يعني لو انا الاونرشيب بتاعتي equal 10% والكوربريشن قررت انها تعمل distribution ل100,000 سهم، في الكيس دي يا شباب ايه؟ انا هيجيلي 10% of 100,000 new stocks equal 10,000 shares، يبقى نصيبي في الاسهم دي يا شباب ايه؟ 10,000 سهم. تمام. GAAP distinguish between two types of stock dividends. Number A, accounting for small stock dividends. If the stock dividends declared is between 20% to 25% of outstanding shares. Small stock dividends recorded at fair market value of distributed shares. Example: on Jan 1, 2020, K Corporation declared 10% stock dividends on its outstanding common stock of $80,000. The par value per share was $30. The fair value per share currently is $80. The declared dividends were distributed 2 months later. Required: prepare the journal entry to record the declaration and distribution of the dividends. طب يا شباب، عشان نحل البروبلم ديت، أول حاجة الكيس ديت يا شباب لازم نحدد هل الكيس دي small stock dividends ولا يا شباب large stock dividends. طب هنعرف ازاي يا شباب؟ احنا اتفقنا يا شباب if the stock dividend declared is between 20% to 25% it will be considered small stock dividend. طب يا شباب، هو هنا عمل declaration ل 10% stock dividends، يبقى therefore it is considered a small stock dividends. في الكيس دي يا شباب هنعمل ايه؟ هنعمل recording using the fair market value اللي هي كام يا شباب هنا في البروبلم؟ $80. تمام. on declaration date، يبقى احنا اتفقنا once ان الكوربريشن اعلنت انها تعمل dividend distribution، dividend comes out from retained earning. Retained earning will decrease in the debit side. طب يا شباب هنعمل recording ازاي؟ number of outstanding shares time percent declared time fair market value. طب ليه يا شباب هنا هنستخدم fair market value؟ لأن الكيس دي يا شباب small stock dividends 10%. تمام. يبقى شباب 80,000 shares time 10% time $80 total will be $640,000. تمام. in الكريدت سايد يا شباب، هنا الكوربريشن يا شباب هتعمل ايه؟ stock dividend distribution، صح كده يا شباب؟ هتوزع free or additional stocks. في الكيس دي يا شباب بقول ايه؟ common stock dividend distributable، ما بقولش يا شباب payable، لان هنا انا مش هدفع حاجه، انا هنا هعمل distribution to additional stocks or free stocks. تمام. يبقى الكريدت سايد common stock dividend distributable، بعمل ريكوردنج يا شباب using البار فاليو. طب يا شباب انا عندي البار فاليو $30، يبقى هعمل ايه يا شباب؟ ال $80,000 number of outstanding shares time ال percentage declared اللي هي ال 10% equal 8,000 time $30 equal $240,000. طب يا شباب ال difference between ال bar value and the fair market value will be recorded in the credit side in the additional paid in capital common stock. The difference $400,000. في حاجة مهمة جدا يا شباب لازم تعرفوها، إن ال common stock dividend distributable is considered an equity account. It's not a liability account زي الكيسز اللي فاتت يا شباب. Both returned earning and common stock dividend distributable are an equity account. One is reduced, the other is increased. So total shareholders' equity remains unchanged. يا شباب في الكيس هنا we will decrease an equity account اللي هو returned earning and increase another equity account اللي هو common stock dividend distributable. عشان كده يا شباب final result stockholders equity will remain unchanged. تمام. on date of distribution or issuance not the date of payment. شباب هنا احنا بندفعش حاجة، هنا ال date of distribution or issuance اللي هصدر فيه ال free stocks أو هعمل distribution لل additional stocks. تمام. debit side common stock dividend distributable، credit side common stocks $240,000. وهنا انا خلاص already عملت issuance، عشان كده common stock يظهر عندي في credit side common stock dividend distributable will decrease in debit side. Number B, accounting for large stock dividends. If the stock dividends declared is larger than 25% of outstanding shares. Large stock dividends recorded at par value of distributed shares. خلي بالكم يا شباب اتفقنا لو small stock dividends recorded at fair market value. In case large stock dividends recorded at par value of distributed shares. تمام. طب هنعرف منين يا شباب هي small ولا large stock dividends؟ اتفقنا in case the ratio stock dividends declared is larger than 25%, it is considered large stock dividends. If the stock dividends declared between 20 to 25%, it is considered small stock dividends. For example, on Jan 1, 2020, K Corporation declared 30% stock dividends larger than 25%. يبقى شبه الكيس دي ايه؟ large stock dividends on its outstanding common stock of $80,000. The par value per share was $30. Fair market value $80. The declared dividends were distributed 2 months later. Solution. The case is large stock dividends 30% should be recorded using bar value $30 per share on declaration date. شاب تاني once in الكمباني عملت declaration للdividend distribution, dividend comes out from returned earning. Returned earning will decrease in the debit side. هنعمل recording يا شباب. Returned earning number of outstanding shares time ال percent declared time ال bar value. طب ليه يا شباب هنستخدم ال bar value هنا؟ مستخدمناش ال fair market value عشان الكيس بتاعتي دي يا شباب ايه؟ large stock dividends. $80,000 time 30% time $30 equal $720,000. In the credit side, common stock dividend distributable $720,000. طب ليه يا شباب هنا ما عنديش additional paid in capital account؟ عشان انا هنا عملت recording using bar value. تمام؟ طب يا شباب on date of issuance or date of distribution, debit side common stock dividend distributable. خلاص يا شباب انا عملت distribution للستوكس. والcredit side common stock $720,000 عشان الكوربريشن خلاص عملت issuance to additional stocks.